Hello everyone and welcome back to another epic tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna tell you guys that how we can use our phone as a second display with our PC. This can be really helpful for doing multitasking, like when I edit my videos or make thumbnails, the software is open on my PC and additional folders or browsers on my phone. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you guys will need a browser. In my case, I used Brave. You can use any browser. After that, you have to search for spacedesk.net. The links for this website will also be in the description box and the comment box. Now just go ahead and click on the download button. After that, you will be redirected to the bottom of the web page. Now select the required version according to your operating system. In my case, I have Windows 11 64-bit. The download will start automatically and a Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location to download the setup and hit Save. Once the download has completed, close the browser and double-click the setup to run it. Now click on Run, click Next, click on this checkbox and then hit Next. Now choose where you want the software to be installed and hit OK. After that, click Next and make sure that this checkbox has a tick mark, otherwise you will not be able to run the software via internet. Now hit Next and click on Install. I have already installed it, so I won't install it again. Now your PC is all set to run the software. Let's just jump onto your mobile's screen. Head to Play Store on your mobile phone and search for Space Desk app. After that, install the application on your device and open it. A pop-up will appear. Click on this checkbox and click on OK. After that, click on these three horizontal lines and open Settings. Now select Resolution, uncheck the first checkbox and click on Choose Custom Resolution. Now choose any resolution according to your choice. I will use the maximum resolution available. Now click on Apply and go back to Home page. You will see Connection written, followed by your IP address. This software works if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and it will work even if your PC is connected via Ethernet cable. Just click on the IP address and your second monitor is all set to work on. Now I will show you both the screens side by side. I will open this folder and drag it to my phone's display. Look how good it is. If you have a 5G Wi-Fi, the experience will be very smooth, and if you don't have a 5G Wi-Fi, then it is still good to work on. You can access the taskbar from second display too. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any epic update. This is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.